Hey everyone, and welcome right back to The Explainer. Today, we've got a genuinely fascinating opportunity to unpack for those of you with some big global academic ambitions. We are breaking down the complete Walailak University 2026 Graduate Scholarship Application Guide. Our goal today is to cut right through the noise and look directly at the facts, the structural requirements, and the really unique benefits of this program so you can figure out exactly what it takes to secure your spot.
So, are you ready to study in Thailand? It's a simple question, but it actually represents a massive pivot in any academic career. Because studying internationally, it's way more than just acquiring a piece of paper or a degree. It's about completely shifting your global perspective and dropping yourself into a vibrant new research environment. And right now, Walailak University is opening its doors to global talent. So it really is the perfect time to ask yourself if you're ready to take that leap.
Okay, let's dive into this timeline. 2026. Now, you might be sitting there wondering, why on earth are we analyzing an intake so far in advance? Well, actually scratch that. In the ultra-competitive world of academia, early preparation is literally your greatest asset. By targeting the 2026 academic year right now, today, you are giving yourself the absolutely critical gift of time. That is time to gather your documents, to really refine those complex research proposals, and to build an airtight profile. True urgency doesn't mean rushing at the last minute. It means starting your focused, deliberate preparation right now.
And the core of what Waiver University is offering for 2026 is, frankly, incredibly comprehensive. First off, these opportunities aren't just restricted to a single tier. They span both master's and PhD programs. But more importantly, we are looking at fully funded programs with tuition waivers. This is a total game changer. It removes that heavy, stressful financial friction that almost always accompanies advanced international degrees. And because they are actively hunting for global talent, this whole thing is explicitly open to international students.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the complete elimination of scholarship application fees. That's right, zero. In international higher education, application fees so often act as this frustrating hidden barrier. They literally limit how many programs you can realistically afford to apply to. By reducing that fee to exactly zero, Walailak University is giving you the green light to submit your academic credentials and compete for a fully funded spot without taking on any upfront financial risk at all. It's just a massive incentive to simply throw your hat in the ring.
But here's the catch. Because there is zero financial risk to apply, the reality is that the competition is going to be fierce. You just cannot afford to make avoidable rookie errors. Understanding exactly how to submit a strong application and navigating around common pitfalls is absolutely vital here. A winning application goes way beyond just having good grades. It requires following instructions precisely, presenting your research goals with crystal clarity, and knowing exactly what that selection committee is prioritizing.
So to get that precise understanding, your next immediate step is totally clear. The granular details, the specific master's and PhD tracks, the fee structures, and the exact strategies you need to avoid those common mistakes are all detailed step by step in the Sources Complete video guide. You need to seek out the full application guide over on their YouTube channel. Don't just sit on this information, right? Use it as your blueprint. Go watch the full breakdown, take meticulous notes, and start drafting that winning 2026 application today.
Opportunities like this one are rare, but they are absolutely meant to be shared. Think about your study group, your colleagues, or maybe a friend who has all the potential in the world but just lacks the funding to study abroad. Who will you tag to share this fully funded journey with? Because in academia, helping someone else achieve their dreams doesn't diminish your chances, it actually builds up your future global network. So, think about who you're bringing along, take action, and let's get preparing for 2026.